Guys and girls, they are about to unbox. Ay, tiningnan eh.
I am excited.
Nakita mo na no? Nakita, ginon mo na eh. They are about to unbox the second box. So what do you think are those?
But I don't like chocolates, the box.
How about you?
Ano, mga, tawag nito? Hindi. Yung ano ba, yung milk? Ano ba yun? Yung ano? Yung nasa ano ba, powder milk? Fresh milk? Fresh milk.
Oh, but
How about you?
Coco Crunch, like cereal.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Ha?
Maybe.
Ano?
Maybe daw, may ano. Maybe daw. Milk.
Kayo, ano sa tingin nyo nasa loob niyan?
Milk.
Chocolate.
Ikaw?
Chocolate.
Wala na ibang alam.
Candy.
Oh, unbox it now!
Yes! Woo! O, sabi na.
My God!
Ayo.
What is this?
Mushroom. Is this des? Ano des?
Can I open?
Des?
Wow!
Kuya.
Oh, I like the pink mushroom truffle.
Ah, iba-ibang ko, ano. Ay,
Yay! Wow. Can I open?
Oh, ayun pa, meron pa isa oh.
Ah?
Wow!
Ano pa na? Ano na sabi sa ano?
So they found out, guys and girls, truffle pasta, choco milk drink, and iced tea.